Hi, this is Larry Davis with PrimeLending and the Davis team, and I want to send you this short video and thank you for allowing us to assist with your refinancing needs. We're looking forward to a smooth process and close the refinances as soon as we can. Now that we started the loan process, we will send you your initial disclosures to review and e-sign. We'll also order your appraisal. Once ordered, the appraiser will contact you to schedule a time to come out at your convenience to do the appraisal inspection. Also during the process, my assistant Julia Colosi and my production manager, Danny Ryan, will also be sending updates, sending any need list items as far as updated documentation that we need for your loan file. And then once everything is back, we have the completed appraisal, we'll review the file and get it ready to submit for underwriting for final loan approval. At that time, once we get approval, we'll order your closing disclosure, which is basically a recap of the loan and the original estimates that we went over. And then we'll proceed to order your final loan documents so we can follow up with escrow, schedule signing, and get the refinance ready to close. Again, throughout the process, if you have any questions, please reach out to us. I know it's a lot, so we want to make it as easy as possible and as smooth as possible for you guys. And again, appreciate the opportunity to help with the refinance needs, and we'll look forward to close just as soon as we can. Have a great day.